Everyone, and welcome to a quick cleaning video. So I'm hoping to give you lots of cleaning motivation with a few tasks that I am going to be doing today. So if you're looking for some cleaning motivation to tackle a few things in the kitchen, then this video is for you. So I find clearing the dishwasher every morning is really helpful because I put things away, and I also noticed that the dishwasher needed a clean. I try to do this maybe in a month, maybe twice if I can, just to clean up, keep up the maintenance of it, and on the edges of the dishwasher itself. So yeah, I just prefer to get that done anytime I see mess, because it lessens the dirt that's available and I don't have many things to clean up. If you see build up, then you tackle it. I had done the filters the previous week, so I'm not touching those today. I've got this hack where I use white vinegar in the rinse aid section. It's absolutely amazing. I literally have no watermarks on any of the cups or cutlery or any of the dishes, so it's a great hack. So now onto the cupboard. So I've got this cupboard that I normally store different things up there, but I know they need a proper tackle. And yeah, it's not like disorganized or anything, but I just need to put things and get rid of things that are no longer in use. So Christmas period is over. I'm no longer having any junk food or alcohol or anything like that. I'm taking it all out and giving it away, checking expiry date, and if it's gone past the expiration date, it's getting chucked away. This cupboard where I keep all my healthy food section, I just want to put it in a pretty little container. So I'm just taking everything out, organizing it, and just giving the cupboard a clean. I just like to make sure I've got everything where I can see it so that I don't repeat purchases. And I think organizing it makes me know how much I've got, because I've got everything in bulk, because I'm really serious about my health this year, and I am making sure everything is, looking organized and I can find it, so that I don't have any excuse for eating the wrong thing or not taking enough of my supplements. You will fit, perfect fit. All of my greens. If you are enjoying this content, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for lots of cleaning motivation and hacks on how to do things or clean around your home. I absolutely love this little basket. It's contained all my stuff, and I can see all my supplements. I can see all my health food. I'm on a mission this year, and having to see it all in one place, in organized, in a neat space, makes it easier for me to reach out and grab what I need. And it was not a long process either, just a quick timer and everything's organized. I know where everything is, and I like how it looks as well. Okay. Everything fits perfectly fine, so quite pleased with that. So I now know where everything is. So that's it from me today. I hope you enjoyed this quick video. Look forward to more content and subscribe to the channel for more. Bye.